Tell me if I'm wrong, because I believe that some of your biggest regrets come from following your heart. I can't stand when people says just follow your heart, because Bible says the exact opposite. Above all else, guard your heart, because everything you do flows from it. See, the world says your heart is your guide, but the word says your heart requires guarding because it can deceive you. It will justify sin. It will choose comfort over calling, lust over love, revenge over grace. And if you're not careful, you will call it destiny when it was never even God. So don't follow your heart. Lead it. Fill it with truth. Cover it in prayer and ask God to break it for what breaks His. Because your heart was never meant to lead you. It was meant to be led by Him.